Hey guys, welcome back in the channel BIMTech. I'm back again with some other topics for you guys. Okay, and as you know, I have been discussing some advanced commands of AutoCAD in this series. So today I'll be discussing about data extraction and data linkages. How do we do that in AutoCAD? And believe me, these are really powerful commands. Because of the limited knowledge or limited use, we were not able to deep into dive into the AutoCAD commands, and even some of our seniors and we are not aware about these commands, right? Sometimes it is pretty much necessary to extract data from the AutoCAD. Okay. uh, and sometimes it is also required to link any data which is available in the Excel or any other format, and we are supposed to link that data to the AutoCAD. So this can be done, and it will take only 5 to 7 minutes, not more than that. Yes. So let us discuss first of all the data extraction. So what we do while extracting data, let me tell you. Basically, if suppose we have a drawing or any shapes or any kind of drawing, and we want to extract the data from from that drawing, right? So what we do is basically we will go to the insert tab, right? In insert, we will see data extract tool over there. When we click over there, so the window will pop up, and it will ask us some commands, whether we want to save that data in the drawing or we want to extract the data in a separate link, so that we can easily adjust and we can directly choose the option and go to the next. When we go to the next, it will again ask some details, some more details, whether what sort of data we want from the the drawings. We want geometry, we want general things, general details, and whether we want the 3D visualization or geometry or not. So we can customize the things as per our requirement. I mean, we can uncheck or check the things if we want all the data. Go to the next. Okay, it will show us the properties, the type of things which we want into the data extraction sheet or not. Just go next, next, next. By default, all the settings you do not want to, you are not supposed to disrupt the settings, the default settings. You just follow the next, next, next settings from there. Yes, before going to the second next, it will ask, it will gonna ask where are you going to save the file. So you need to give the path for the file to save over there, right? And then after saving that file, you just go next, 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 and finally it will ask you finish. Okay. So after finishing that, if you have chosen the option to extract the data within the sheet only, so you need to click at the insertion point where where you would like to have that sheet. You can just click in the AutoCAD format, in the AutoCAD drawing, and that table will be you know table will be formed in front of you. If you would like to extract the data in Excel, then you just go to the documents. By default, it creates a file in the document. Okay. You just directly go to the documents, and you will find an Excel sheet over there, and that will be created by the AutoCAD itself. And you are not supposed to do anything. You just go there and check that file, whether that file is there or not. You will be having a lot of details about the quantities or the items you have extracted. Okay, my dear friend, this is all about data extraction. I hope you might have understood some part of it. For more information and detailed information, you can follow and subscribe my channel BIMTech. I do have a Facebook group, BIMosphere, where do I share the information related to civil engineering and BIM technology. I'm Parvez Khan signing out until we meet again.